Hello, the core building blocks of the CyOLO platform are Identity Access Controllers, IDACs, and edges. IDACs terminate the Transport Layer Security (TLS) 1.3 connections and enforce the access policies configured by the CyOLO administrator. CyOLO does not require a cloud connection or the installation of an endpoint agent.How. The CyOLO Platform WorksFigure 1 shows the architectural layout of a CyOLO deployment.Identity access controller. Type 1 security controls for the secure remote access space.Figure 7. Cyolo End-User Applications PortalOne. Additional feature worth noting is the Cyllo platform's management of remote desktop protocol, IDP. Connections into our environments.Cyolo no longer breaks into systems, but instead logs in, making access security more complex and also more important than ever before. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy short news like this, please consider subscribing to my channel. Until next time.